It's done. I've got it all working, along with my redesigned parts. This is incredible. So in Tinkercad, I had to redesign a couple of these parts. For instance, this part, I added sides to this so that the bearings didn't come out. Down here, I added sides to this. Back here, before this gear, I had to redesign that white part. Had to make sure that the bearings went into that wheel one at a time. If two got side by side, it would stop. And probably the biggest change is this final part of track. I had to add these big sides to keep the bearings or the marbles from bouncing off this angled side when they came down this track. I haven't had one pop out since. So how about a little ASMR as we watch this run?